Hi everyone, today I'll teach you how to do the glitch where you make the time go really fast. Before I show you that, it does create a really annoying ticking noise. If you want to get rid of that ticking noise, you simply go in the options, in the audio, and you turn the effects down to 0. And it gets rid of the ticking noise. So now I'll show you how to do the time glitch. The way to do it is, I'm going to be glitching out the menus, and I'll teach you how to glitch them out. So once you spawn, just enter the house. You want to sleep until morning. Once you do it, you want to bring the Steam menu up on your screen. And the way you want to do that is simply by clicking Shift-Tab. Then you close down the menu and then you click Return to Ranch. So I'll show you how to do it here. So sleep until morning, Shift-Tab, close it, and return to Ranch. Once you do that, just re-enter the house. You should not see the cursor on your screen. I simply didn't do it fast enough, that's why I still have it, but let me just do it again. So you re-enter the house, you should not have the cursor on your screen, and the way you want to bring the cursor back is by clicking the escape key. And it brings up your cursor back. So you repeat the same process again. Once you do that, that should have the escape menu on your screen. That's how you know you did it correctly. So just re-enter the house, open up the map. That brings up the cursor back. Simply exit the house. From this point, do not return to Ranch. If you click it, you will soft lock the map onto your screen, and that will make the game unplayable. So the way you want to exit the Ranch, to Ranch from now on, is simply by clicking the escape key. That gets rid of the escape menu. That's how you know you did it correctly. So now you re-enter the house. You open up the map again, and you click the escape, and that brings up the cursor back on your screen. So you want to bring the map down, and to do that just hold W or the up arrow on your keyboard. You want to navigate down to the emergency return button. You can't simply click it with your mouse, so the way you navigate down to it is you use the WASD keys or the arrow keys on your keyboard. So yeah, simply move it side to side, highlights it, that's how you know you're over it. It's a bit of a different shade of color. The way to press it is you click spacebar. Once you do that, you click the spacebar again. If you accidentally move your mouse, just same thing, you move the using WASD keys or arrow keys, you can highlight OK again. And then to click it, click spacebar. Once you click it, you have to click the escape key straight away. So once you click the escape key, it will bring up the escape menu. After this point, just sleep until morning. Exit the ranch using escape key, and you should have the time glitch. So this makes the time go really fast, and there's actually quite a lot of fun things you can do with this. The first thing that you'll notice is all the vegetables, all the fruits, and chickens respawn really quickly. So I'll just grab some plorts here. Just a couple more. So the other thing that you've noticed is my sprint does go down, but it goes down really slowly. And if I stop, it recharges really quickly, so it's basically infinite. The other thing you need to realize with this mode is all the menus are glitched, so you can't bring up your map, and you can't bring up your escape menu, so you can't emergency exit, you can't leave the game. The only way to leave the game is by clicking Alt F4 just to close down the game. So yes, the other thing, all the menus are bugged, so if you click any menu, it will bring it up on your screen. The way to fix this is simply by clicking it again. This gives you back your cursor. Some menus you have to click 2 times, some menus you have to click 3 times. So I'll just buy Jetpack so you can navigate this as normal. You cannot click the X to close it, as it will still keep one menu. In order to close all the menus down, you just click the escape key, and it closes down all your menus. So the jetpack is infinite, so you can fly forever pretty much, which is the other really fun thing about this mode. So this mode is compulsory for some of the speedrunning categories. So it's actually a really important glitch for speedrunning. But for casual play, it's also really fun as well, as you can do quite a few things with it. So with the house menu, it's a bit different. If you enter the house, you do not have your cursor, and you can't click escape, you can't open up your map. The way you bring your cursor back on screen is you have to open up your Slimepedia twice, and then click in the Return to Ranch button. If you click escape, it just closes the Slimepedia down, but you're still in the house and it's still bugged out. So yeah, just click Return to Ranch. This will still be on your screen, but as normal, to close down all the menus, just walk up to here, open up the store, then you close it. This is still on your screen, but again, just close it with escape. The way to navigate the house menu is, if you walk up to here, you open this once, just to bring this up on your screen, and then you enter the house. That fixes it. Now your mouse is on the screen, you can read your mail as normal, you can navigate it as normal, Return to Ranch as normal. This stays on your screen, but that's normal. Just walk up to here and close it. The last thing that I want to show you with this mode is if you do fall in the water, you are in this area and there is no real way of getting out of this area. You can't really slime jump, your slimes disappear if you shoot them. You can't really fly out of here. As of this moment, there isn't a way to get out of here, so the only way to really get out of here is simply by clicking Alt F4 and resetting your game. The other thing I want to mention is if you are up top and you leave the game and then you re-enter the game, the same file, the time will be back to normal, so it's not going to be moving a million miles per hour anymore. So yes, if I was to Alt F4 here and then return, time would be back to normal. So yes, that's really it with the time glitch, and there's a lot of cool things you can do with it. So yep, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.